Well, I'm here with members of the Alan Breck's Regiment, which are a living history society showing the daily life of soldiers, Redcoat soldiers and Jacobite soldiers in the last Jacobite rising in 1745 to 46. So we're here at Braemar Castle this weekend in this amazing historic setting, commemorating the soldiers who fought and died in that war and trying to give people a flavour of what it might have been like to witness the skirmishing and the fighting that was involved, on which the future of the nation depended. So that's why we're here, showing the weapons, the guns, the smoke, the action, and of course the clothing and equipment and dress of these amazing soldiers.
Hello, I'm Captain Fletcher of the Edinburgh City Guard. I'm here with my men at Braemar Castle, defending it against the Jacobites. We're here today putting on 3 skirmishes as well as living history, and hopefully it'll be a good day. The weather's looking absolutely marvellous. The scenery, as you can clearly see, is absolutely splendid, and those of us who don't live up here, it's wonderful to see this part of the country.
Shot! Here! Up! Up!
Fire! Forward! Fire! Right! Cover! Reload!
Make ready! Present! Fire! Load!
Fire!
Present! Fire! Load! Right, open your order. Open your order from the centre. Keep your heads down. Put some fire back at them.
Come on, lads.
Open on me. Here.
Right, ready! Present! Fire! Well done, reload! Fire is loaded. Reload, Corporal. Present! Huzzah! Fire! Cover, reload! Come on, come. 5 paces forwards, march! Make ready! Present! Huzzah! Fire! Good lads. Keep it tight together. Take that one down! Silence! Over there! 3 cheers! Let's mention the King! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! Hip hip! Huzzah! May the dead arise!
I'm definitely flooded.
Stop losing the habit of dying so early. Can you...